Hi everyone, welcome to LearnRate Academy. In this tutorial, I want to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you how you can insert rows in within rows and do that automatically on all the records on your data set without having to do it one after the other. So the normal way which many people know of doing it is by right clicking on each of the rows, then you click on insert. That will insert a row ahead of the row you have selected or on top of the row you have selected. But there's a way you can do it that if you want to insert a row on top of each of the rows you have selected, all you just need to do is you can do it automatically by just clicking on each row and holding down the control key. So I'll click on the first row, hold down the control key, click on the third row, click like that until I've selected the individual rows on my data set. Then I right click and I click on insert. You can see that will give you an automatic row on top of each of the rows you have on your data set. So this is all we are going to be sharing in this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can get an update of our videos or when new videos are released so that you can be notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.